Now we will learn how to program with Servlet. These are essential interfaces, class, and annotation to program a servlet. Here we have javax.servlet.annotation.webServlet, which is an annotation class, a Java class of HTTP servlet from the package of javax.servlet.http, and two interfaces that represent web request and response, HTTP servlet request and HTTP servlet response. Both are from the package of javax.servlet.http. We need to create our own servlet based on the design here. The servlet must extend to HTTP servlet and annotated with web servlet annotation. There are 5 steps to program with servlet. First, we need to define our servlet class. Then, we need to provide implementation for the method inherited from HTTP servlet, which are either do get or do post or both. After that, call the servlet from link or form. Then, run the web application from the web server. Finally, launch the link or page in the web browser.